That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo. Smart Dishwashing Paste ko. Smart to you. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Panatilihing masaya ang paglilibang. Magtakda na oras at limitahan ang gastos sa paglalaro. Huwag magsugal kung nalulungkot. Huwag hayaang makasira ng buhay at pamilya. Para sa impormasyon ukol sa responsible gaming, tumawag lamang sa hotline number 02-8404-0171 o bisitahin ang www.casinofilipino.ph. Isang mensahe mula sa PAGCOR. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Keep it fun. Game responsibly.
Maulan man, no worries na amoy kulob ang damit.
Charm Fabcon, bangong kumaka-bloom. Tanggal amoy kulob sa bango ng Charm.
Charm Fabcon with Bloom Fresh technology. Kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria tested. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries.
Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Bangong kumaka-bloom sa Charm.
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Araw-araw, MX3 para MX-Traordinary. With alpha, beta, gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, so coffee and tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako believe.
Hi, I'm Rene Salud, ang inyong fashion ambassador to the world. MX3 capsule, dito ako believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be MX-Traordinary with MX3.
Wow! Per months na! Ang bilis ng panahon. Parang lahat rush. Oh, don't stress. Ang sagot dyan, balanse sa buhay. Parang paglaro ng Bingo Plus. When gaming, dapat balanse din. Hindi to dapat makaapekto o pumalit sa oras para sa pamilya, kaibigan o trabaho. When you game responsibly, tuloy lang ang saya.
Visit www.pagcor.ph/regulatory. Keep it fun at pagcor.ph. Responsible gaming at pagcor.ph. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only.
Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop.
DCXL 558.